So hello everyone, welcome to UniVoyage. I'm Rishil Shekhar and I hope you're doing well. Today we're going to talk about the latest notification issued by IIM Rohtak in relation to its IPMAT 2022. We'll be talking about the eligibility criteria, the maximum age limit, whether to take the best of 5 or aggregate percentage, the paper pattern as well as the weightage assigned to each component in the final calculation of the aptitude test score. So now we are on IIM Rohtak's website. The link would be posted in the description. So first, let us talk about the eligibility criteria. So if you're from a general NC, OBC or EWS category, you need to secure a minimum of 60% in your 10th and 12th examinations. And the maximum age limit here is 20 years as of June 30, 2022. So in short, you need to be born on or after June 30, 2002 to be eligible to give the examination. And the same applies to SC, ST and PWD category as well, with the exception that they need to secure a minimum of 55%. Now moving on, I'd like to shift your focus to the note 2, where they mention that the 10th and 12th percentages that you need to submit have to be based on aggregate marks of best 5 subjects. So just make sure that you enter the best of 5 marks and not the aggregate marks, because best of 5 percentage tend to be better than the aggregate one. So please make a note of that. Moving on to the selection process, there are 3 major stages. First is the online registration, where you have to pay the fees and register for the test. Then we'll move on to the IPMAT paper pattern. So this year they've kept the same paper pattern as of Rohtak 2019, where we have 120 questions and you have 40 minutes per section. Okay, pretty simple to understand, with the negative marking of -1 for every incorrect answer and +4 for every correct answer. Now moving on to the stage 3, which is online personal interview. So for this round, only the participants who've been shortlisted after round 2 would be called. So based on your IPMAT scores, you'll be called for personal interviews. And now the weightage for each and every component which is given to calculate the total ATS is also mentioned here. So the aptitude test score, which is the IPMAT Rohtak examination, will have a 45% weightage in your final ATS score. And your past academics, which is 10th and 12th scores, would have a 40% of aggregate weightage in the calculation of the ATS. So this is a very big component. And along with that, the personal interview comparatively is very low when it comes to the weightage that has been assigned in calculation of the ATS, which would actually determine your selection. So you can see clearly, if you've got a good percentage in 10th and 12th, you've got a very big advantage, but that's not it. You need to make sure that you score well in the examination as well, right? So this was a very short video about the IPMAT Rohtak 22's procedure. And for the important dates, you can see that February 21, 2022 is the date on which the forms will open. And you can fill the form till May 2, 2022. Okay. And now the main date on which the examination would be conducted is May 21, 2022. The results would be announced in the second week of June. That is when you will get the call for whether you've been shortlisted for the interview or not. Then if you're shortlisted, your interviews will be taken in the 4th week of June, and the shortlisted candidates who have been offered entry into IPM 22 batch would receive their mails and confirmations in the 1st week of July 2022, and their academic session would begin in the 1st week of August 2022. So hope I have clarified all your doubts with regards to IPMAT 2022 Rohtak examination, and if you have any other doubts, please comment. Thank you so much for tuning in to watch this video. It really means a lot to us. One special announcement I'd like to make is that please take care of yourself and stay safe. Wear your mask at all times and take the necessary precautions, because staying fit is essential to your preparation. Work hard and I'm sure the results will follow. Furthermore, if you want any updates related to IPM, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and join our Telegram group. And if you're looking for IPMAT assistance, we're always ready to help you out to and through your journey. The link for our courses are in the description. Thank you so much.